I go, you're all I see. But I know that I can go to where you are. I can't hide the pain and emptiness I feel from missing you. And I wonder if you ever miss me too. How I feel, you'll never know. This sadness from letting you go. I wish that you could hear me. Will I ever be okay? I hope this rain could wash my tears away. The things that you said, can't seem to forget. I just can't wipe it out away from my heart. I know that you are always with me, and I will be waiting for you. It was a rainy night and I was feeling blue. Didn't know how I was gonna say to you. When I looked into your eyes, it seems that you already knew that you might not ever be with me again. When you left and I watched you go, this sadness I never showed. I could've held your arms, but I just got the tears inside. How I long for you, I can no longer hide. You hid all your tears behind the blue rain, but I could still feel the pain I see in your eyes. And as the rain falls down on your face, you're hiding your tears in the rain. If only I could be with you once again, I would cry all the pain in my heart. I would find you someday and spend my lifetime with you. Then I won't be longing for you. The things that you said, can't seem to forget. I just can't wipe it out away from my heart. Away from my heart. I know that you are always with me, and I will be waiting for you. I'll hide all my tears behind the blue rain. Forever I'll wait for you.